my 1995 Land Rover Range Rover Classic LWB. Cold start. The sucking you're hearing is my custom air intake. It's a K&N cone filter smacked onto the mass airflow sensor. Let's just say I don't take that one off-roading anymore. So there she is. This is going to be the cold start of the 1993 Range Rover LWB. It's pretty cold. We got ice last night. There's ice over there. Let's see what she's got. Hey, there we go. That's with my boat battery in there. It's a marine grade battery with 1,000 cold cranking amps. It's only about a year old, so the bigger the better.